Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be reviewing the ARK Technologies 1.5u Rackmount server. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. This is a really nice size 1.5u Rackmount server. It's shallow profiles, which is very important, especially when you don't have the full length server racks. Or it's an ITX motherboard, so pretty much only one PCI Express or PCI slot available. It offers a bracket for a riser card, because the slots, if you notice, are horizontal. So you'll need to have a converter card that goes up and converts to two slots. It does also come with a plastic protective sheet for the bottom. God forbid something should short out, like a screw gets slid underneath there accidentally, it won't short out the board to the chassis and blow out the board. It does come with this plastic protective, which I thought was a nice plus. If you're not using anything on the inside in terms of the cards, you can also install hard drives here as well. So you can install 5 hard drives on this side and possibly 2 more here, or one 3.5-inch hard drive on this side. But it's very useful, very universal. It has lots of options and lots of capabilities for such a small chassis. This is here, but I might as well show you it before I put it in service. So that is the reason why I am doing this review. It's great. There are no 5.25-inch ports on the front. There is nothing. There's no external ports, nothing at all. It's just a clean system. Just going to be a motherboard and internal hard drives. No CD-ROM drive, nothing. I don't need that for this. They do make it so you can get a 1.5u with a 1.525 external. I'll have a link in the description below with all the necessary. This happens to be an ARK server. Funny, right? I do have a 3u ARK Technologies chassis as well. That's got 2 5.25, but that's a whole nother story. That's a whole nother review. But this one is really nice. It supports SFX power supplies and ITX motherboards only. You cannot get anything. You can't go anything bigger than that. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,